Hello world. A very good morning to all of you. I'm coming live after such a long time. It's almost been about a month and a half, probably 2 months that I've been on the camera, and that's because in the last couple of weeks, one after the other, both my cameras, that is my action camera, the Insta360, as well as my phone camera, they started to give me so many issues that I simply didn't feel like making a video which you don't find comfortable viewing. So finally I was in a lot of dilemma about what to do and what not to. Shall I be buying a new phone or what? And funny revelation, about a year ago, even about 6 months ago, if you had asked me whether I would ever purchase an iPhone, my blunt answer would have been a no, a clear and a blatant no. But then I thought that anyway, I'm going to be making use of a new phone because my current phone, or the one that I had before this one, had been giving so many issues, and I had to buy one more phone. And I thought, if I'm buying a new phone, why not buy something shooting with which the video quality would be better and the viewers, that is you people, would like watching the content because of the sheer picture quality, the camera quality. So as funny as it sounds, the person who has always been pretty much against buying iPhones, because I used to feel that, you know, it's I wouldn't say wastage of money, but I would say it's not a very productive use of money, spending about 70,000-80,000 on an iPhone. But here I am. I am shooting this video. It's my first video that I'm shooting on my first ever iPhone purchase. So once again, I'm gonna be starting to shoot. I'm gonna be starting to create vlogs again, and I hope that you know, this journey with iPhone is as exciting as it is for me to create vlogs for you. Over a period of time, I have found that I'm kind of getting inclined towards coming up with ideas and making vlogs, making good quality vlogs, and continuously be getting better at it. So let's see how it happens. Today is my first vlog that I'm shooting on my iPhone, like I said, and I'm just coming out of my office, and it's a very pleasant morning. It's a benign, windy morning, and I thought, let's just start shooting the vlog, start my journey again of making vlogs with you people. So I hope that you all are doing fantastic, and I'll see you again with something that's going to be coming up real soon, in a couple of days, and it's going to be very interesting, very exciting. I'm going to be going to some places, I'm going to be making some vlogs, I'm going to be shooting things which, according to me, are going to serve the purpose of making this channel, I would say, in a way, interesting and at the same time enriching for all of you. So with that, for now, I'll see you on the other side of this vlog. So take care and ride hard, ride safe.